I just opened up the box containing the smart video doorbell. I have not taken the plastic off of anything yet, but I just wanted to show everybody what it looks like when you take out all the component parts. It comes with the hardware that you need, plus these two 3M double-sided tape strips, which I will probably be using that plus some other extra double-sided tape that I have. The next section of the video, I will go through the actual usage of the device. I unpacked the box and took off all the plastic, and this is what it looks like when it's ready to go. Very sturdily made, sleek looking, and here's the mounting bracket and the, well, it comes with hardware if you choose to use these screw holes to put it up, but I'm probably going to go with the outdoor mounting tape. 2 strips were provided, which you would put here and here, but just because I'm paranoid, I don't want things falling down, I'm going to use a little bit more of my own that I have. So here, this is the doorbell part where when your visitors come, they will push this, and as you see, it activates. And there you can hear the chime in the background, and I'll show you that separately in a minute. Features, jam-packed with features. It has pretty much everything you could possibly ask for. The one good thing is that this camera comes with an micro SD card built in, so you don't have to buy that separately. It comes inside, and it really helps because that way you could download video feed wherever you want, plus without having to necessarily subscribe to the cloud. You could do that, but you don't have to, and not having to do that is a nice option. So here we've got the instruction manual, and it's very comprehensive. It walks you through all the steps, and setup is very straightforward. There's an app called Cloud Edge that you will download to your phone and leave voice message. This is actually a very interesting feature. You can pre-record a greeting, so when someone comes to your door and rings the bell, you can say whatever and they will hear what you have pre-recorded. And yeah, it's short and easy. Setup is a breeze. And the next little bit further down the video, I will show you some sample shots. I have not yet decided where exactly I'm going to be mounting this, which is why I still have it here on the table. So I took a shot of what it looked like outside in the dark, and since it's dark out, I wanted to also show you what it looks like when it's illuminated, when there's ample light. So you'll see a picture of my my living room just to compare and contrast. Here's the chime that I have plugged into the wall. The white adapter, that's my own. That didn't come in the box, but I'm sure most of you have plenty of these lying around. So just to show you what the chime is like, it pairs very quickly and easily. So if I am to, let's say, push the doorbell here, so that's really a great feature to have. I know some of the competitor models of doorbell cameras, they don't come with a chime included, or you have to pay extra money. So having this handy, it really helps, because we're not always looking at our phones, and sometimes we might miss alerts if somebody's at the door. So having this chime makes sure that you won't ever really miss anybody at your door if they push the button. Here's the inside of my living room. The lights were on, so you'll see that the detail is very clear. No fisheye effect. The wide angle is very nice for some complete clarity of viewing. And the next shot, I'll show you what it looks like in the dark in comparison. Lights have now been turned off. It was pitch black in the room, but the night vision on this camera is obviously very strong, because you could still see quite a lot of detail even though the lights were completely off. This is a view of my front yard and driveway. It is extremely dark in the front. I do not keep it illuminated at night at all, but you can still see my driveway vehicle and the home is across the street, which means that the night vision on this camera is very powerful. So if you were to imagine somebody standing in front of the camera, you would definitely be able to make out who they were and see details in great clarity. I just didn't feel like standing in front of the camera because ain't nobody need to see my ugly face in the middle of the night, but I think you get the point. So overall, this camera is a great, doorbell camera is a great price, jam-packed with features, and I highly recommend it.
This is the KAMTRON doorbell camera, and it is amazing. It has nighttime vision. We can see everything. It has a wide zoom, and we can look at it on our phone. So it is so awesome. We've had it for a good while, and it is just amazing. And I got it from Amazon. So thank you, Amazon. It's just like the Ring, but to me it's better. So the KAMTRON doorbell.
So this is what it looks like when your doorbell camera rings. This doorbell camera is absolutely fantastic.
Alright, quick video on how the video camera works. So when you press it, it will pop like that on your screen. And it has this cool feature. See this icon, message icon here? If you press it, it has a you can pre-record a voicemail if you're not at home. See? So it's really cool, very cool gadget.